So I want to share with you all a great new product that I found, and it is a great alternative for alkaline rice if you don't want to use wild rice or quinoa. And this is Spelt Orzo. Orzo is a pasta that resembles rice, but it is a pasta. It tastes like a cross between white rice and pasta, and it is made with spelt flour and water, and I'll show you on the back the ingredients. Now it does indicate that it may contain milk and eggs and things like that. Please know that that's just something that companies have to put on the label if they make a product in a facility where they use these ingredients in other products. Don't confuse that and think that this product has that in there, because it does not. So I'm making this according to the package directions. You want to cook it just like you would cook pasta. You want to go ahead and bring your water to a boil. You can add a little bit of sea salt and grapeseed oil that will keep it from sticking. Make sure that your water is boiling first, and then go ahead and add in your orzo. You want to have enough water to cover up your pasta. And according to the package directions, this needs to cook for 15 minutes. So you want to let it come up to a boil, then turn it down to a simmer. Let it simmer uncovered for 15 minutes. There's no need to add a lid to this. You cook it just like pasta. And if you need to, you can add more water as needed. After about 15 minutes, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and drain this. Now, I rinse my pasta off to get off any just extra tackiness, but if you're going to add a sauce to this, I recommend that you don't rinse it off. For me, I'm just eating it as is and not adding any sauce. So I went ahead and rinsed it off so that it would be a little less sticky. And I just put it into a strainer and just poured a little water over it. And this is what it looks like once it's been plated up, and it is very delicious. So hopefully you'll give it a try. The link will be in the description box below, and there you have it.